How to transfer CAD from bitget wallet to bitget exchange on PC. Now first of all, make sure you log into your bitget exchange account and you have the bitget extension wallet on your browser. Now to be able to send or transfer CAD from bitget wallet to bitget exchange, first of all you need to tap on send here. Now here tap on CAD. So if you don't find it here, go back or open your phone and now go to Catizen bot on Telegram and make sure to add the bitget wallet on the Catizen on your phone. So after that, go back and open your PC and you will be able to find it here. Now for example, for example, this is the Catizen. Now after you tap on it, now here you need the wallet address. Now go back to your bitget exchange account. Now go here and tap on assets overview. Now after that, from the sidebar, click on spot, and now after that click on deposit and click on crypto. Now as you can see here, search for CAD, as you can see, and now search for the coin. So this is it. Now after that, select on and now copy the address wallet and now go back to bitget wallet and paste it here. Now after that, enter how much you want to send and now the node. So you can now click next and you will be able to send the CAD from bitget wallet to bitget exchange. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.